नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। और फ्रेंड्स, मैंने आपको एक दिन पहले एक मैसेज शेयर किया था कि वी बैंकर्स, यूनाइटेड फोरम ऑफ वी बैंकर्स ने सीएलसी में 12th बाईपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट के अगेंस्ट जो मूव किया था उसमें 30 अप्रैल को सम्मन दिया गया था, नोटिस दिया गया था जो कंसर्न पार्टीज को डिस्कशन के लिए। क्या हुआ वो मैं आपको शेयर करता हूं। Discussion were held at office of Deputy Chief Labor Commissioner, Central New Delhi on the Charter of Demands submitted by United Forum of We Bankers. We Bankers was represented by Sri Kamlesh Chaturvedi, Rahul Mishra, General Secretary, All India We Bankers of Officers Association, Sri Vinay Kumar Khanna, ex-GM PNB, Sri Hani Mujlani, President, We Bankers UP State Unit, and Sri Manish Kumar, ex-All India President. We banker representative from all banks except Bank of Baroda participated. On our request, name of State Bank of India, which could not be added due to the mistake, has been added. We argued for about 2 hours as to how 12th bipartite settlement has been signed by those who have no right. Power, authority, and competence to either represent officers and workmen of the banks. We also highlighted as to how those who claim to represent officers and workmen of the banking industry have actually acted against the officers and workmen and have signed a settlement which is prejudicial to the interest of bank officer and workmen as well as retired employees of the bank. Enhancement of duties and the passing power of the workmen in clerical cadre, non-fixation of working hours for the officers, non-implementation of 5-day week, non-inclusion of special allowance in basic pay, and consequent huge monetary loss internal benefits, imposing of the unwarranted conditions on employees who have resigned from bank, which can be equated with blackmailing and exerting undue pressure such as withdrawal of the court cases, non-elevation of the left over part-time sweeper as full-time service staff, determination of salary on the basis of profitability, paying capacity rather than the objective and the scientific principle evolved by Indian Labour Conference, and that too without taking into account salary being paid to central state government employees of RBI, LIC and other public sector undertaking, non-revision of the pension since 1995. We further highlighted that our dispute relating to powers, authority, competence and right of IBA and UOPU is pending before National Industrial Tribunal, and since government has not appointed any presiding officer for NIT, no progress has been made. But then when the basic issue is under consideration of NIT, settlement could not have been signed. Honorable Deputy CLC asked representative of banks to reply our arguments. All of them said that they will make written submission, and for that they sought time. Considering the general election and duties of the bank officers and employees, as also office of CLC, the next date for submission of written reply on points raised by United Forum of We Bankers has been fixed as 25th June. We Bankers is committed for the raising the voice of armed bank employees, and for that it is struggling since its formation. No matter we have limited strength and resources, still we have demonstrated that we have courage, conviction, will and determination to raise your voice and fight for equality and parity in salary, pension, number of week per day working, etc. at par with the central government employees. Now it's turn of common bank employees to come forward, lead from the front and become part of the movement for change of present system. We will update bank employees tomorrow, that is on Mazdoor Divas, after reaching Kanpur about the challenge and next course of action. With revolutionary regards, Sri Kamlesh Chaturvedi, National Convener, 30 April 24. और चतुर्वेदी साहब ने इसका विस्तृत ब्यौरा जो आज CLC में घटित हुआ है उसको उन्होंने भेजा है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।